guys? How are you? Welcome to another vlog. Hope that you guys have a great day. Hope that you guys are feeling blessed and encouraged. Hope that you guys enjoyed the vlog. We did arms today. Okay. I did arms. I did biceps, triceps, and forearms. I worked a lot with the forearms, and I worked a lot with the tricep. Getting really good striations and working on the eccentric, going down and up slow. Having that mind and muscle connection as well. So I hope that you guys enjoy the content that I get in the gym and get what I can in the gym. I hope that you guys have a great day. Hope that you guys are staying blessed and encouraged. Hope that you guys are staying safe and staying healthy, and also staying well and staying active. Of course, we only promote peace, unity, and community here on the channel, trying to bring you biblical-based content. Of course, we got a lot more videos and stuff coming on the channel, so stay tuned for that as well. So make sure you go ahead and leave a like and comment on the video, and of course, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos and any new uploads that come onto the channel. So I appreciate all you guys. I appreciate all the support, and I hope that you guys have a great day. Enjoy the content, you guys. is up, you guys? Just got done at the gym and just getting ready to get back home now. Hope that you guys are having a great day. Hope that you guys are feeling blessed and encouraged. Sorry that I'm not on the little stand that I usually have, but making it work. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the content that I put in the vlog for you guys. I did massive arm workout, did triceps, biceps, and forearms while coughing my lungs out at the exact same time. I'm still getting over this cold, guys, so be praying for me and be wishing good health over me and all that good stuff. And I'm always wishing good health over you guys too. I'm always wishing that you guys are staying healthy and staying safe and secure and all that good stuff, because we need to stay well. Our bodies are temples, like how the word says, so we need to take care of them. So, but I just hope that you guys enjoyed the vlog, and also, if you haven't already seen Daily Devotion Day 3, go check it out. Links will be I won't put a link down in this video, but just go into my YouTube and go to my playlists and go to Daily Devotions. So, and all the Daily Devotions will be there, and it'll be all good. So I hope that you guys enjoyed that, and I hope that you guys stay tuned for more content as well. We have a whole bunch of more content coming, and also we're just going to be doing a whole lot more, trying to really get this channel off the ground. So, and I thank y'all for the people that are just staying tuned. You know what I mean? Just, staying connected and staying interactive, So I appreciate all the support. I appreciate all of the subscribers as well. So I appreciate all of you guys. And also subscribe down to the channel and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos and any new content that we put up on the channel. And of course, leave a like and subscribe on the video, you guys. I hope that you guys have a great day. All right. And also, something to remember: if we want different, we gotta be different, right? And then the question is how much is different? You know what I mean? Like, how much is different? When is different type thing, if that makes sense. So it's something to think about, you guys. I hope that you guys have a great day again, and of course, I would love to hear you guys hear your thoughts down in the comments, of course. And of course, I would love to hear your thoughts and comments down in the comment section about the question that I asked. When is different? When does different become different, or when are you different from other people? Without using the word itself. So it's something for us to think about, you guys. I would love to hear you guys' interactions and conversations down in the comments. So I hope that you guys have a great rest of your day. God bless you guys.